we have entered into one of the best programs for all learners, and that is our SmartLabs. Each and every child from TK through grade 8 is experiencing hands-on learning. They are experiencing engineering. They're experiencing coding. They are experiencing making robots like Botley walk all over the campus. Their learning in our SmartLabs has come out of the classroom and into a place of innovation, a place of energy, a place of motivation where they're never wrong, and with whatever they do is something that is successful and something that is theirs. When you see the smiles on their faces, when you see them building their castles out of bricks, when they're making their robots move, when they're coding and setting up their own websites and setting up the different engineering things that they are doing, it's as if they're entrenched in this learning. It's a different type of learning. It mirrors their classroom, but it takes it to a point where they are experiencing learning. That is learning for the 21st century.
One of the best parts of the SmartLabs is how we are able to reinforce what the students are learning in their classroom when they work on projects here. For example, we were working with snap circuits with our 4th graders at the time that they were learning all about circuitry in their homeroom classrooms.
In science, we are actually right now talking about this project, and we're learning how the circuits work and how they are powered. And actually, we are doing worksheets and stuff that our science teacher will be grading.
One of the most exciting parts of being a facilitator in the SmartLabs are watching how the hands-on projects engage all types of students. Students who are tactile learners or kinesthetic learners, they love these types of projects. We also have a lot of students who need to move around as they learn, and they can do that in here. We have projects that engage students who are auditory learners because they like to talk about what they're doing, and then visual learners, they all have the opportunity to see what everyone else is creating, and then they can create as well. It's been wonderful.
The SmartLabs engage students in ways that I never imagined possible. The students have so many resources where they can manipulate items such as circuits, they use Scratch to code, they can even combine the two together to make interactive projects. It makes learning just come alive for the students. Students are working together to use collaboration skills, communication skills. All of these skills will help them with jobs of the future.
Today, some of the fastest growing, highest paid jobs didn't even exist a few short years ago. Jobs like app developer, social media manager, photovoltaic technician, or VR content manager. So it's no wonder that when we talk to businesses and we ask them, what are the most important qualities in today's workforce? They first talk about skills like critical thinking and problem solving and collaboration and communication and adaptability. There's no limits on what you can do. You're only limited by your imagination and your determination. The question for you isn't what do you want to be when you grow up? The question is, who do you want to be? What problems do you want to solve? And how do you plan to solve them?